Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Priscilla. I'm the owner of A Life Full of Simplicity. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Supernatural Tarot by Minerva Siegel. I'm super excited. I love this show very much. I didn't pre-order it when it came out several months ago, and I didn't pre-order it, but I did get it recently, and I'm really happy that I picked this up because I did want it eventually in my collection. So let's see, it retails for $24.99 US and $33.99 Canadian. I did get it at retail value. So it is published by Insight Editions. So it just says, discover your destiny with this official tarot deck inspired by the hit TV show Supernatural, featuring original art of the Winchester brothers, Castiel, Bobby, Jack, and the host of angels, demons, ghosts, and monsters. So yes, and the art is by Matthew Skiff. I'm a big fan of Minerva Siegel. I have other decks by her, and I do have the Tarot for Self-Care book, which I use in every single Cozy Tarot Sunday. So you would have seen that book before. I do love it. So inside we have some of these symbols. They're like the little angel writings or demon writings. So we have that, and there we go. Let's see, I'm just gonna put this together. She does have other decks that are supposed to be coming out soon, which I have on my list to pick up, so I'm super excited. Okay, so let's take a look at the guidebook first. So we have a table of contents. So we have the major, we have the minors. So the minors have been renamed. And then we have carrying, methods, and then spreads. Okay, so we have an introduction. Anything? Okay. Okay, so understanding. So the suits are renamed to bones, pentagrams, blades, and goblets, which are wands, pentacles, swords, and cups. In traditional, then it goes and tells you a bit about each suit. Okay, and it goes into the major. So let's see what we have. We have, okay, that's good. So it talks about who's in the card, at least. Sam and Dean Winchester. We have the upright meaning, reverse meaning. Great. Again, talks about who's in the card, which is great. What about the minors? Let's see. Okay, we have the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so it does talk about who's in the card. So we have the upright and reversed. Okay, at least. So Crowley, Aniel. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, now let's see the back. So we have caring for your deck, methods for reading tarot. We have the spread. Ooh, apple pie tarot spread. Love that. We have Lucifer's Cage. Interesting. Team Free Will. And that's it. We have about the author and about the illustrator. Awesome. Yep. So good. Awesome. Okay, so as always, I will pull a card afterwards and read from the guidebook. Okay, so the cards are matte. They are thick, maybe 320 maybe, GSM, maybe 350. These are the backs. Love the backs. So we have the Fool, the Magician, Chuck, the High Priestess, Rowena. We have the Empress, which is their mom. That's nice. I like that. And their dad is the Emperor. Makes sense. Then we have the Hierophant, who's the Grim Reaper. Billy, I think. Let me see. I don't always remember everyone's names. Yeah, Billy. Then we have the Lovers. Oh my god, I love that the Chariot is their car. Baby. And then we have Strength. He was the vampire that saved Dean. What was his name? Benny. Yeah, that's it. Benny. We have the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. I remember this episode with the lucky rabbit foot. Oh my god. Don't lose it or else you'll get bad luck. Or else you die, sorry. If you lose it, you end up dying. Castiel is the Hanged Man. Then we have Death. Death is death, which makes sense. Oh, we have Jody. Jody Mills as Temperance. The Lucifer is the devil. That makes sense too. We have God's Sisters. The Tower. This is the child there that Lucifer spawned. Jack, I think his name is. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Okay, and then we go into the Wands. Queen. We have the Knight. We have the Page. And then we have the Ace. So some of these are they're going to be like Pippish mixed with not Pippish, like this one. So it's like partial Pip and not with this deck. It's the same with the Nightmare Before Christmas deck as well. Then we're in the pentagrams. Knight, Yellow Eyes. Oh my god, them. Ghost Facers! I hated them so much. They were so annoying throughout the entire show. Ace. We have the 2. The 3. 4. 5. 6. Ugh, hated this guy too. So annoying. Her. Oh, I loved it when Dean built a family with them. Then we go into the swords. Queen, the knight, oh god. Then we have the page of swords, the ace, nice. Angel blades for the 2, it's cool. We have the 3. I love how it's different blades though, because that's really cool. Ugh, ruby. Oh no, this is what's her face, or is that ruby? I don't know. Is the 5? It's Meg. Ugh. Meg. Again, different blades. Love that. This is Ruby. Ugh. Hated her too. Ugh. So annoying. Crazy demon going into the cage. Okay, goblets now. So the cups. This is the king of vampires or whatever. The original vampire or whatever. Elia. I remember this guy. Garrett or something. Oh my god, her. She was so annoying. I love the ace. This was the bowl that Meg would use to call hell. Oh, they're so funny. We have the 3. And here, what's going on here? Oh my god, him. I remember him. I didn't like this guy. And we just have some cups. More just cups. She was an angel. More cups. And the 10 of cups. Okay. Let's shuffle this. It shuffles nice. Their cardstock is good. Okay, let's read this one. Just shuffle it a bit more. Okay. Should be good. Queen of Goblets. Okay. Okay. Queen of Goblets. Upright. The Queen of Goblets is a nurturing but tough matriarchal figure, much like hunter, mother, and saloon owner Ellen Harvell. Ellen is very protective of her daughter Jo. This sort of caring, fierce mother bear energy perfectly represents the Queen of Goblets. This tarot card is a reminder to be nurturing and compassionate with those you love. Reversed. The Queen of Goblets reverse loses control of her emotions, becoming dramatic and emotionally toxic. Have you been letting your emotions get the better of you? If so, recognize the consequences of your actions and do what you need to do to regain balance and stability. And this is what I read. Queen of Goblets. Love them. I love that they mention every single figure that's in the card, because if you're not familiar with the show, you're going to be like, who is this? Who's that? And whatnot. But at least, like this, you have the name of the person that's on the card, and then you can just Google them if you're not familiar, or if you just started watching the show, for example. So yeah, I really love this. It's a great deck. I'm really happy with it, and I'm happy that I have it in my collection now, because it's fantastic, and I do really love Supernatural. So yeah, I do thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below what you think of this deck. Is this something you would purchase? Something you have already? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell so you can be notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as it's greatly appreciated. Thanks so much and have a great day.